Have you ever looked at a piece of handmade furniture selling for hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars, and wondered who actually buys this? The surprising answer is a lot of people. Right now, homeowners are spending more money than ever on unique home decor. They're searching for handcrafted pieces that stand out from mass-produced furniture. They want warmth, character, and quality. They want something that tells a story. And that's creating a massive opportunity for woodworkers. What's even more exciting is that many of the most profitable woodworking projects don't require a huge workshop, expensive machinery, or years of experience. Some are built from reclaimed wood. Others use scrap materials. Many can be completed over a weekend and sold for several times the cost of materials. Welcome back, creative minds. Today at Decor Ideas, whether you love woodworking or chic home decor, this project will inspire you. Stick around, grab your tools, and let's build something unique and beautiful together. You won't want to miss this. Today, we're counting down 10 mind-blowing home decor woodworking projects that not only look incredible, but also have serious money-making potential. These projects combine modern design trends, sustainability, and craftsmanship to create products customers love to buy. So whether you're looking for a side hustle, a woodworking business idea, or simply inspiration for your next build, you're in the right place. Let's jump into it. Our first project is one of the hottest categories in modern home decor: geometric reclaimed wood wall art. People absolutely love statement pieces that transform blank walls into focal points. What makes this project particularly attractive is that it often uses small offcuts that many woodworkers would normally throw away. Different wood tones create depth. Natural grain patterns create texture. Geometric layouts create visual impact. The finished result can look like something from a luxury interior design showroom. And here's the amazing part. A project built from relatively inexpensive materials can often sell for hundreds of dollars because customers aren't paying for the wood. They're paying for the design. They're paying for the craftsmanship. They're paying for the uniqueness. Every piece becomes one of a kind. That combination of sustainability and luxury makes geometric wall art one of the strongest woodworking markets today. Now imagine walking into a modern home and seeing a beautiful floating wooden shelf perfectly styled with plants, books, and decorative objects. Floating shelves continue to dominate interior design trends because they combine functionality with aesthetics. Unlike bulky furniture, floating shelves make spaces feel larger, cleaner, more organized. Homeowners love them. Interior designers recommend them constantly, and buyers are willing to pay a premium for shelves crafted from beautiful hardwoods and reclaimed materials. A simple board becomes a valuable product when paired with excellent finishing and hidden mounting systems. The key isn't complexity, it's presentation. And presentation sells. Speaking of presentation, let's talk about one of the most profitable small woodworking projects available today: wooden risers. At first glance, they seem almost too simple. But don't underestimate them. Luxury kitchens, bathrooms, coffee stations, and dining spaces frequently use wooden risers to elevate everyday objects. A soap dispenser suddenly looks designer. A candle display feels intentional. A coffee setup becomes Instagram-worthy. The materials required are minimal. Production is relatively fast. And demand continues growing as homeowners embrace modern styling trends. Small products with high perceived value often become the foundation of successful woodworking businesses. Next, let's move into furniture. Specifically, entryway storage benches. Few pieces of furniture solve more problems at once. People need seating. People need storage. People want beautiful entryways. A well-designed storage bench delivers all three. Customers especially love Scandinavian-inspired and Japandi-inspired designs because they blend functionality with minimalist aesthetics. The bench becomes more than furniture. It becomes a daily convenience. A place to sit. A place to store shoes. A place to create organization. When a woodworking project solves real problems while looking beautiful, buyers become far more willing to invest. And that creates strong profit potential. Now let's talk about a project that continues exploding in popularity across social media: modern wooden plant stands. Indoor plants remain one of the biggest home decor trends worldwide. People are filling their homes with greenery, but plants need attractive displays. That's where woodworking comes in. Simple plant stands made for hardwood scraps can command surprisingly strong prices. Customers love clean designs, mid-century modern influences, natural materials, and customizable sizes. The beauty of plant stands is scalability. A single design can be offered in multiple heights, multiple finishes, multiple configurations. One successful design can generate countless variations. That flexibility creates opportunity. Now picture a cozy bedroom featuring a beautiful floating bedside table. Minimal, elegant, practical. Floating furniture continues growing in popularity because it saves space and creates a clean, contemporary appearance. Homeowners appreciate furniture that feels lightweight while still providing functionality. Woodworkers appreciate projects that use relatively little material while delivering significant value. The floating nightstand checks both boxes. When paired with warm wood tones and minimalist design, it becomes exactly the kind of product modern homeowners are actively searching for. That's why these projects perform so well online. They align perfectly with current design trends. The next project proves that luxury doesn't always require large pieces of furniture. Decorative serving trays have become incredibly popular among home decorators. Coffee table styling, kitchen displays, dining room centerpieces, Decor. Serving trays appear everywhere. What makes them especially attractive for woodworkers is the opportunity for creativity. Different wood species, unique handles, custom inlays, personalized engraving. Every tray becomes a showcase of craftsmanship. Customers often purchase them as gifts, which expands the market even further. And because they occupy a relatively small footprint in the workshop, they allow efficient production without requiring significant storage space. Now let's move to one of the most visually satisfying transformations in woodworking. Live-edge console tables. There's something undeniably captivating about combining natural wood edges with modern design. The contrast feels dramatic, organic, luxurious. A properly finished live-edge slab becomes a conversation piece. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves woodworking. Let's create and decorate together. Customers love the authenticity, the uniqueness, the connection to nature. And because every slab differs, no two tables are exactly alike. That exclusivity adds value. People aren't buying a generic product. They're buying a specific piece, one that nobody else owns. That emotional connection often drives premium pricing. As we continue exploring profitable woodworking projects, we arrive at one of the most underrated categories: wooden wall organizers. Modern homeowners constantly search for ways to reduce clutter. Keys, mail, sunglasses, wallets, small daily essentials. A beautifully crafted wall organizer creates order while adding style. This combination of practicality and design makes the product highly appealing. Customers appreciate solutions. When a woodworking project genuinely improves daily life, it becomes much easier to sell. The organizer isn't just decoration. It's functionality disguised as decor. And finally, we reach a project that perfectly represents the future of woodworking: custom home office accessories. Over the past several years, millions of people have invested in their workspaces. They want desks that feel inspiring, professional, comfortable. Wooden monitor stands, desk shelves, cable organizers, laptop risers. These products continue attracting strong demand because they solve real-world problems while improving aesthetics. A beautiful workspace feels more productive, more enjoyable, more personal. Customers recognize that value, and they're willing to pay for it. Now, as impressive as all 10 of these projects are, they share something even more important than profitability. They all reflect changing consumer priorities. Today's buyers care about sustainability. They care about craftsmanship. They care about uniqueness. Mass-produced products often lack personality. Handmade woodworking fills that gap. Every project tells a story. Every grain pattern feels authentic. Every piece carries evidence of human skill. That authenticity is becoming increasingly valuable in a world filled with identical products. The most successful woodworking businesses understand this. They don't simply sell wood. They sell transformation. A blank wall becomes art. A cluttered countertop becomes organized. An empty corner becomes beautiful. A house becomes a home. Customers buy those outcomes, not just the materials. Another reason these projects perform so well is that they fit modern lifestyles. People want practical beauty. They want products that work hard while looking good. A storage bench provides seating and organization. A floating shelf provides display space and style. A plant stand supports greenery while enhancing decor. The best woodworking projects serve multiple purposes simultaneously. That versatility increases perceived value, and perceived value drives profitability. Of course, craftsmanship remains essential. The internet has made customers more informed than ever. They notice quality. They compare options. They read reviews. Projects that stand out typically share a commitment to details. Smooth finishes, strong joinery, thoughtful design, professional presentation. These qualities separate hobby projects from products people are eager to purchase. Fortunately, none of these qualities require a massive budget. They require care, patience, intentionality, and those are resources available to every woodworker. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of these projects is their accessibility. You don't need a giant industrial workshop. You don't need a warehouse full of lumber. You don't need expensive automated machinery. Many successful woodworking businesses begin in garages, sheds, spare rooms, and small workshops. What matters most is creating products people genuinely want. And the projects we've explored today continue proving their demand year after year. As home decor trends evolve, one thing remains constant. People love beautiful spaces. They love furniture and decor that reflect their personalities. They love products that combine craftsmanship with functionality. And that creates extraordinary opportunities for woodworkers willing to build with purpose. So the next time you walk into your workshop, don't just see boards and tools. See possibilities. See future furniture, future decor, future businesses. Because hidden inside a simple piece of wood could be the next project that transforms not only a room but potentially your entire woodworking journey. And that's what makes woodworking so exciting. With the right idea, the right craftsmanship, and the right vision, a pile of lumber can become something truly remarkable. Something beautiful. Something useful. And maybe even something incredibly profitable. That's all for today's Decor Ideas episode. I hope you're feeling inspired to create something amazing. Subscribe and stay connected for more woodworking and decor projects. Until next time, keep creating.